Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So guys, let's take a look now on the gold market. On the gold, we do not have big price volatility, so market actually stands in a very tight range. We already talked about it in the weekly report and in previous videos that in recent sessions, the range of the trading on the gold is narrowed significantly. It means that, well, some energy is building and sooner or later, but it will lead to strong breakout in one or other direction. In general, as we estimated, long-term context for the gold market looks supportive due to a lot of different fundamental factors, and well, currently we do not see really bearish background for the gold. Yes, market has some difficulties with upward continuation, but this mostly because of the short-term positive news for economy. So you know that about what we talked previously, that's Franco-German pact on providing 500 billion to support the Spain, Italy, and other countries that have been hurt by the epidemic. That's positive news that we'll discuss on Wednesday in the European Union Parliament. So, and other different factors that mostly could be, well, expressed in overall sentiment and back to life. That's restrictions eased across the board in different countries, so people just returning back to life. Now they're speaking about the reestablishing of the plane flight across the boards, and so everything is normalizing, and that supports demand for the risky assets. That brings some relief in terms of the psychology to the people. That makes impact on the gold as well. So and that makes it difficult for the gold to proceed the upside right now, and keeps price in a tight level. And here you could see that market actually, well, stands flat. It goes nowhere. So it seems that it's a bit not quite logical to drop, just because, well, it's reasonable reasons for, or some reasons for the drop is also do not exist, but market has some problems with upward continuation as well. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, we said, or better to say first, take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, recall our recent talks that we have here. We said market stands in the ABCD pattern, hits the OP. Keep an eye on the retracement. So it should be some kind of the ABC top OP right around 1720 area. Indeed, that retracement has been completed yesterday, right? The 618 support level, ABCD target, so agreement got is cheaper to buy. If you have taken the long position, now you could just keep them, move stop to the break-even and see what will happen. Here the market also has formed minor grabber. That suggests possible taking out of this stop. But here, guys, again, take a look. This is a confidence. 1735, 1739, 1740. It has not been broken yet. In the current circumstance, when, well, I'm not sure if that's definitely will be the breakout. So gold needs to get some supporting from the different factors. And now sentiment of the investors mostly focused on some, I don't know how to call it, some kind of the easing of the, as I said, easing of the epidemic restrictions, and it's everything leads to the positive sentiment, positive mood among the people, and well, triggers demand for the more risky assets than they call. But anyway, it's called keeps. It looks a bit heavy in action, but it keeps bullish sentiment currently. Just see what will happen. Here's, by the way, the minor triangle is also forming, as you can see. Some breakout should happen, especially because we have the grabber here. So it means that maybe XOP we will be able to reach it. 1746. OP has been reached, retracement is done. Now market's turning high, forming the grabber. Suggests the possible upward action is possible, could happen. So if you have taken the long position here, as we said, just move stops to the break-in and see what will happen. On a daily chart, guys, it's nothing to do yet again. So for the daily traders, as I said, to take the long position, it's too early because it's just starting to pull back up from there. We need to add a deeper level be reached by some reason. For the bearish positions also, while market shows not quite bearish action, it's not much to talk about. And we need just to wait, because background, as we discussed in the weekly report, mostly is bullish for the call. Maybe market will show even the upper breakout. We'll see. Overall standing here, no reaction on the butterfly target suggests that's mostly bullish context. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market actually forming a triangle. So right at the confidence support, it mostly indicates the indecision type of action. Well, let's keep watching what will happen. Because currently, today, if you haven't taken a position at this point, as we said, right now, well, you could try to stick with the grabber, with placing stops below it, hoping that market will show the upward reaction here. But overall price action on the gold mostly, well, the problem is that it doesn't show the real directional patterns, guys. And that makes it difficult to plan some long, more extended trades. We could speak only on some technical minor steps that we have. And one of them we just discussed. So let's keep watching what will happen. Those of you who do not like to deal with the, well, flirting markets without any directional patterns, it's better to wait for something more valuable. I hope that's something we should get soon on the market. For others, you could try to do something on intraday charts and thinking in the manner that we have just discussed. So market has formed the guard to buy right at the support reaction on the OP. You could try and take the long position. Market starts move up. You move stops to the break-in and see what will happen. Grabber appeared. Well, that's great. You could keep long, so hoping that market will take it out of this stop and see what will happen next. So that's the routine trading style that we follow when we do not have something really valuable, some really good patterns on the market.